What is up, everybody? This is Fishing with Damien, and I have the mystery tackle box to open up here. This is my first mystery tackle box here, so I used the code MTBNEW and I got the mystery tackle box for $5. And I got the bass mystery tackle box. So let's open it up and see what we have inside. Alright, right off the bat we have the ruler here for measuring fish. Tells you what you can do here. So anyways, here's the contents of the mystery tackle box. We have a Title Shot jitter jig, which is 3/8 size with a 5/0 hook. There we go. Alright. And then we have 4/0 weighted swim bait hooks. I've not seen these before, so these must be a new item here. But that's pretty cool. And then we have Charlie's Worms. The worm with the swimming tail. Scented medium texture high floater. Alright then. Cool. And we have some Vilecraw from Biospawn. Which I've heard good things on these Vilecraws from Biospawn, so I cannot wait to actually try this out here. And we have a Strike Pro tournament grade lure here. Alright. Oh, it's a topwater bait. I did not see that coming, but I suppose, yeah, by the lip there. That is awesome. I'm definitely going to have to try this out. And then we got some MTB garlic. Is that what that says? MTB garlic. Must be some scent here. And then, of course, the MTB sticker. As well as what's all in the box here. We got that Sparrow, Strike Pro Sparrow, the Title Shot jitter, the Finesse Worms, Vilecraw from Biospawn, weighted swim bait hooks, and garlic scent. Oh, okay, and then that weighted swim bait hook is a new product. So I was right. I was gonna say I've never seen them before. So that's pretty cool. But yeah, so we got, like I said, we got this topwater lure, the garlic, Biospawn Vilecraw, the weighted mustad hooks, this jitter jig from Title Shot, and the Charlie's Worms. So I will be getting a box every month. They may vary in all the different, brands. I might get Catfish next time, I don't know. But thanks for watching this opening of the mystery tackle box. Have a good day, guys. Remember to comment, rate, and subscribe.